everyone, welcome back to Sarah's Creative Corner. Today we're going to give you a 10 days out update of the Smart Garden Click and Grow 9 and our 3. So I got these from my mom for Mother's Day. So if you need any Mother's Day gift ideas, I will have the link to both of these in the description below. So for 10 days out, you can see that we already had to take off these little clear domes off of the arugula. You want to take off the caps before the plants are touching the dome. So you can see the rest of the plants are almost ready for the caps to take off. You can see our arugula are doing great. They're not quite ready for harvest, but they will be soon. And to take off the caps, they literally just click off. You will want to leave these little white capsules around them. You can see they almost look like a Pac-Man. The reason for these capsules is so that no mold grows over, because mold just wants light and moisture, and so the empty parts of the pot are a great area for mold. So if you have them covered by this opaque white cap, then mold won't grow because there won't be light in those areas. So you can see we're taking off all the domes, and that chives really wanted the domes off. You can see they're gonna spread out really quick now that they're not confined to that dome. If you have any questions, you could see that we need to maybe fill up the water in the Click and Grow 3, but the Click and Grow 9 looks like it's perfectly fine on water. If your floater is a little bit below the surface, you don't necessarily need to add any water, but it's at its max water capacity when the floater is parallel with the surface. Thanks for watching, and let us know if you have any questions below.